G'day all, here we have an OKMO Microcosm miniature Stirling engine. This one is the JO6B model. It's absolutely beautiful. I haven't yet fired this one up, so this is going to be its first run. But just before I fill this up with spirits and light it up, I just want to say that I received this very nice letter and card from another YouTuber that a lot of you will know, Nobby Clark, and I'm going to be giving Nobby a good shout out at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that please. Just to show you just how small this actually is, here's a box of matches, so that shows you just how small and intricate this series of little microcosm OKMO Stirling engines are. So far, I think I've got around 10 of them. They're just absolutely beautiful, and every time one comes out, I'm going to try and add it to my collection. But I'll zoom out a little bit, and we'll put some spirits in the little burner. Nice little brass burner. It's threaded with a screw cap, just enough to give the Stirling engine a good run. Fumble fingers. Okay. Okay, that's soaked through. Put that there. Light this up. There's flame there. And I'll zoom in again. Alrighty, first run. Let's see how she goes. And she's off. Wow, how nice is that? What a beautiful little engine. It's going so fast, the frames per second on the camera isn't really keeping up with the flywheel. What a beautiful little intricate motor. I'll just blow that out. Well, there we have it. The OKMO Microcosm miniature Stirling engine, and this one is the JO6B model. Okay, I'll put that away, and I'm going to read out this letter that I received from Nobby in the UK. There's our King of Australia, King of the UK, King in lots of parts of the world. Not as big as the British Empire used to be, but there's still a lot of people in the Commonwealth. Look at this nice card. This is a handmade card from Mrs. Nobby. And inside we've got 2 stickers. Nobby's workshop on his YouTube channel, and the handmade card and photography by Mrs. Nobby, and it was dated the 30th of December 2024. It did take a fair while to get here to Australia. Hi Jim, I do enjoy watching your YouTube channel. You have an amazing collection of engines. Have a wonderful 2025. Hope some more engines come your way. Best wishes, Nobby. Thank you very much for that, Nobby. And here's a little bit about Nobby's channel. Yes, Nobby has a wonderful workshop over there in England, in the UK, and does absolutely terrific work with his method lathe, working on steam engines. If you have any interest, even in the slightest, in steam engines, I would definitely recommend that you have a look at Nobby's YouTube channel and give him a subscribe. And really nice bloke, and it's wonderful to meet up with like-minded people across the world, and this has happened a few times to me, and it's a really nice feeling. So thanks, Nobby, for the shout out you gave me, and very happy to give you a shout out. All the very best, mate, for 2025. Okay, I really enjoyed the run of this little Stirling engine, this little miniature Stirling engine, the Microcosm JO6B. Absolutely beautiful. Just can't get over how intricate that the size of it is. Really enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, really appreciate all the comments, the views, and the people subscribing. It means a lot. And to everyone, Happy New Year. All the very best for 2025. Looking forward to seeing you on YouTube and across all the forums that all of us frequent. Again, all the best. Bye for now.